Hey everyone, so today we're going to look at how to use the car wash feature. Some of you might have seen it. So you just scroll to your car settings page and there's the feature there. If you press that button, what that does is when you take the car into a car wash, it'll switch off your automatic wipers, it'll fold your mirrors in. If your car has air suspension, it'll raise it to the higher level so that it can get nice and clean underneath the car well. So it's a very simple process. So this is what it's going to be doing. It'll be raising the vehicle, folding the mirrors, switching Parktronic off, your rain sensors off, your rear wiper off. Make sure the sliding roof is closed if you have one, and make sure all the windows are closed. So it's very easy. You just press start. As you can see there, it is busy raising the vehicle at the moment. So you can, while you're doing this, you can pay and then start driving towards the car wash. As long as you don't go over 12 miles per hour, you'll be safe. It won't switch off. If you go over that, it will switch it off automatically. It takes a bit of time to raise the vehicle up. As we can see there, we are +1. And it's perfect. You can switch it on just before you pay and you slowly drive in. Or as you've paid, you can press it and just slowly drive until all the buttons are there and then you can go. The car does not go into neutral. You still need to put the car into neutral for those automatic car washes that pull your car along inside of them. The mirrors to the sides can lift the vehicle up. See, it's busy raising the vehicle. That switches park rain sensors off, rear wiper off. Sliding sunroof, make sure it's closed. Make sure all the windows are closed. It's raising the car to level 1. So you can see there, it says prepping car for car washing complete. We are now in full mode. So it's raised the level, so we're getting a good car wash at the moment. And have the cameras on if you want to, so you can see what's happening. Obviously the mirrors don't work, those two there, because the mirrors are in, so the cameras are off. We're getting a ceramic coating on the car. Now the car's getting a good blow and we are going to go out and hopefully we get the tire shine as well. So it's busy getting the tire shine. And see behind us there's a car in our rearview mirror. It's telling us to wait there. Car's still in mode. So putting to drive and off we go. And then to switch it off, press the button there. The mirrors will open and then it will start dropping the vehicle, as you can see there. So it's unfold the mirrors, all your sensors are back on, and now it's dropping the vehicle to the height it was previously. Hope you enjoy. Any other questions, just drop us a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.